This is KP Dharigowdar. Thank you all watching my videos. Subscribe my channel and like, share and comment if anything is there in your mind to improve my classes. Today I am going to teach you LCM, HCF and its applications. Okay? See here, LCM. First, we have to go for LCM. Later, we can go for HCF. What is LCM? LCM is least common multiples. Multiple, you know, tens multiples are 10, 20, 30, 40. Tens multiples are multiples of 10 are 10, 20, 30, 40. No, endless they are. As if stars in sky, mud in earth. Likewise, water drops in ocean. Likewise, it is endless. 10 tens are 100, it is our limit. 10 11s are 110 is there. 10 hundreds a 1000 is there. Limitless. Multiples are endless, infinite. These are all multiples. Least common multiple means what? See, what is the least common LCM? We can write it as LCM. LCM of 15 and 10. We can go for this. See, what is this meaning? What it means? What is the LCM of 15 and 10? See, which is the least means smallest number divides divisible by 10 and 50. This is, see, what is the meaning of this sum? The least number divisible by 10 and 15. There are so many numbers can be divisible by 10 and 15, whereas smallest is only 1. That we have to find. How we have to find? See, 15 table you have to write. 15 table we have to write. 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30, 15 twos are 45, 15 fives are 60, 75, 90, and so on, because it is endless. You can write n number of multiples, whereas ours is finding a least number, that's all. So we have to go for this. This 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and so on. Isn't it? Then after writing multiply and n number of multiply you written, and how you are finding least number? See, now check it. The number should be such a special number you have to find that should be divisible by both the numbers. Both the numbers. Which are those both numbers? See, 30 is there, here also 30. And its multiples 60, 90. These are the numbers, isn't it? 30, 60, 90 and so on. Because we don't have, it is also limitless because here you are writing, however here also it will come. Then among these numbers, 30 is the least number. So we have to garland that 30. So LCM of 10 and 15 is 30 is LCM. 30 is LCM. What it means? 30 is the least number divisible by 10 and 15. 30 is the least number divisible by 10 and 15. Okay? And what this method itself is called? What this method is called? The least number divisible by, we should not strip for 10 and 15, given numbers. We can tell it as given numbers. Okay? The least means the smallest number divisible by given number. Which are given number? Variable it is. They are all variables. We may give 40, 50. We may give any number. See, all multiple method we can have. One method is all multiple method. Multiple method. All multiple method. Say, find the LCM of 6 and 8. 6 and 8. Yes, right. All multiples of 6 are all multiples of 8 are. This is dicto. What up is written is right. See, 6 table itself is its multiples. 6 1s are, 2s are, 3s are, 4s are, 5s are, 6s are, ja, घर को ja, 8s are. 8 1s are 16, 24, 8 4s are 32, 40, 48 and so on. Here also you can go for another 2 numbers because I know that to show children, isn't it? Yes. And 6 and 8 common multiples. Common because 1 1 multiple we crossed now. All multiples were written. Common multiples I am finding now. Common multiples of 6 and 8 are, which are those common? Say 6, 12, 18, 24, 6, 8. Here 24 is there, whereas here 40 is there. So I extend it. 24 and 48 and so on are common factors, common multiples, isn't it? Then LCM is least common multiple of 6 and 8 is 1 and only 1, that is 24. Then what you concluded here? 24 is the least number divisible by 6 and 8. Understood? 6 4s are 24, 8 3s are 24. Yes, our answer is correct. Okay? Understood now? This method is very costly method because very expensive it is. We have to write all multiples here and again common multiples here and LCM of this 24. Like this it is totally expensive. So I found another method, that is that I will show you now. Finding LCM. See, that previous number only we can take. LCM of 6 and 8. Here, find factors of, prime factors of 6 and 8. We have to prime factorize the methods. Factors means divisors. See, 6 is divisible by 2 and 3. So, 2 and 3 are, see, it is divisible by 1 and 6. Whereas 6 is not prime number. So, 1 is also not prime number. Prime factorization method I am asking, telling you 2 and 3 are prime factors of 6. Isn't it? Means divisors. 6 is divisible by 2 and 3. Okay. See, prime factors of 6 are 2 3s are 3 1s are. 8 is 2 4s are 2 2s are 2 1s are. Because it is. What kind of number it is? It is square number. No, it is cube of 2. See, 2 or 3 are there. Same numbers. It is cube number, so same numbers came. Then what is common here? That should be rounded. Common should be rounded. Then common should be written only once. And what remained here is 3. What remained here are 2. Isn't it? Common is once. Here it is 3 once. Here are 2's different. Here. Okay. Then this multiplication, before multiplication, you have to beautify the thing. How you have to beautifying? You have to write in ascending order. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. That is 3 2s are 6, 2s are 12, 2s are 24. Is LCM of 6 and 8. As we got previous sum also. So this method is called prime factorization method. Prime factorization method. What is it called? Prime factorization method. Okay. This method is also same only. It is also taking lot of time. Then which one is easy? That we have to go. Isn't it? That method I am teaching now. Say that it was a prime factorization method it was. Whereas here you can call that previous as separate prime factorization method. Separate prime factorization method. 6 is separate we are taking, and 8 we are taking separate. Say common and uncommon. Common ones, uncommon ones. Separate prime factorization method. Now, another method we have to learn, that is 6 and 8 should be written here, and finding prime factors of both. Okay, see, 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, isn't it? Dividing 6 by 2, 2 3s are 6, 3 should be written here, and 0, no, in memory, in mind only we have to do. 2 4s are 8, see, 8 is divided by 2, 4s are 8, see. Then 3 and 4. 3 is prime number, so I am taking 3 1s are. Can you divide 4? No. So 4 should be kept as it is. Then you go for 1 same as it is taken, because its work is finished. 2 2s are and 2 1s are. See. And how many factors we got? Common and uncommon. Which are divided? All these two. There are 3 2s are there according to ascending order. 3 2s are there and 1 3 is there. Then 3 2s are 6, 2s are 12, 2s are 24 is LCM. Okay. So, in the entire world, this method is a very beautiful method all we found, because here time and labor is saved, chalk piece is saved, ink is saved, and time, everything is saved here, and children will not get any disturbance. So this is called prime factorization method. Okay, here some thief methods are there, tricky you have to use and find easily. Okay, that we can understand. Okay, this is what? LCM. This is LCM. Okay, find the LCM of 40 and 50. Find the LCM of 40 and 50, and you can go 60 also. 3 numbers. So you taught only 2 and given us 3. No, we will not do. Now you can find it here. Find the LCM of 40, 50 and 60. Do. Yes, writing 40, 50 and 60. What method we are following? Prime factorization method, not separate prime factorization method, only prime. See, all the 3 are divisible by 10, but we are unable to take that 10 because method itself is prime factorization method, isn't it? So we are unable to take 10. 2 20s are 220, it's 50% you have to write. 40 is 50% is 20, 50 is 20, 50% is 25, and 60 is 30. Okay, it is divided by 32. Then again you need to go by 2. 2 10s are 25 sames are, because it is not in the table, because it is odd number, is not in the table of 2, and 15 it is, isn't it? Then again I am going 2 5s are 25 sames are 15 same, 15 same, 25 same, 15 same. Then now I am taking it by 5, 1s are 5s are 3s are, isn't it? And here I am taking 1. No, 1 is not prime number. Only prime numbers you have to take. 1 same, 5 ones are 3 is unable to take division from 5 because it is smaller number. So take as it is. Then you go for 3. All 1, 1, 1 came, not 101. All commas are here. Then write it these in ascending order. How many 2s are there? 3 2s are there. And how many 5s? Ascending order. Only 3 is there. And 2 5s are there. Then multiply and put. 5 5s are 25, 3s are 75, 2s are 150, 75 2s are double, 150 2s are 300, 300 2s are 600 is LCM. Don't write like this, not making any design in where mathematics, because you will be confused of 1 and all other things. LCM. See, check it. 40 15s are 600. 50 12s are mostly. 60 10s are. Okay. Our sum is correct. No other least number below 600 is divisible by 40, 50 and 60. Individually they may be. But 600 is the least number. Okay? Understood na? And tricky method. We should not go for all these methods. We have to go for tricks here now. Now, I am not following any rule. 40, 50 and 60. See, usual division method we can go. Usual division method. But here you have to understand the things that I am telling you now. See, 40, 50 and 60 are commonly divisible by 10. Isn't it? 10 4s are, 10 5s are, 10 6s are. See, all the three numbers at a time, at a stretch, reduced by 10. 10 times they reduced. Isn't it? Now, 4 and 6 are in same table. 2 2s are, 5 sames are, 2 3s are. Isn't it? Now, 2, 5, 3 are not common prime numbers. They are different prime numbers. Understood? Then write all those. These are all you have to do. Don't waste the time. 10 2s are 20, 20 2s are 40, 45 is 200, 200 3s are 600. This is a trick you can use. Okay? What method it is? Usual division method. Okay? See, here uncommon. If 2 prime numbers are there, then you will go 2 only, because your sum will be wrong. Here 2 2s are there, you are multiplying it, then you will be going for 2. 2, 5, 3 are different prime numbers. So you can multiply all these. See, 10 2s are, 5 3s are, 15 2s are 30, 30 2s are 60, 60 10s are 600. Okay, trick past you can do. Another one past method I am giving you, so that you got almost 4 methods now, isn't it? Then prime factorization method is beautiful method, whereas if you are in hurry and you are know-how of this least common multiple, then you go for the usual division method. Okay. Now we can go for mouth calculation also. That is, see, 40, 50 and 60. These three and LCM you are finding. What is the LCM of 40, 50, 60? You are asking. See, among these, which is biggest number? 60 is biggest number. That table you have to count. 60 ones are 60, 40 has no 60, 50 has no 60. So we gone to 62 is a 120, 43 is a 120, but 50 has no 120. Huh? Then 240, no 180 we gone. These two have no 180. Then we gone to 240. 64 is a 240. 6 4 is a 24, and in front 1 0 I kept. Isn't it? That is. See, 6 4 means 40 is also having 240, whereas 50 has no 240, because its table if we had divisibility of 50 is, see, the number ends in 00 and 50 is divisible by 50. Isn't it? The number ends in 00 or 50 is divisible by any n number you can take. Double 50 00 50 00. See, isn't it? So here 50 is not there. Then you go for 2s are 3s are 4s are 5s are 300. This has 300, whereas 40 is not having 300. So again you need to go 360. Again this has no 360. You go for 480. 420. Again this has 420, whereas this is not 420. Then you go for 480. This is not having 480. Huh? No. Again this is not ended in 50. This may have or may not. This is also not having. Huh? Then this is 600. 60 tens are 600. Isn't it? 6 2s are 12, 3s are 18, 4s are 24, 5s are 30, 6s are 36, 7s are 42, 8s are 48, 9s are 540, 10s are 600. See now, it is divisible by, see, 0 0 cancelled. 4 15s are 60. Yes. This is also divisible, and it is however 00 n number, so it is in table of 6. Then 600 itself is LCM. It needs knowledge, isn't it? And familiar to table, multiplication table. Familiarity with multiplication table is required here. You can do mouth calculation. What here you have to do is, say, 6 and 8. 8's table. 8 2s are 8 1s are 8, 6 has no 8, 8 2s are 16, 6 has no 16, 8 3s are 24, 6 4s are 24, 8 3s are 24. So 24 is the least common multiple. Okay. See if it is so. What is the LCM of 10, 20, 30, 60? Then 60 is table you have to write. 61 is a 60, 10 6 is a 60, 23 is a 60, 32 is a 60. So 60 is LCM. Among given numbers, if bigger number is multiple of given other numbers, then that is LCM. Understood? Say among given number 60 is the bigger number and 10, 20, 30 are its factors. See, then 60 itself is that bigger number itself is the LCM. Okay? Understood na? And one more trick it is there, that is, what is the LCM of? What is the LCM of 2, 3, 5, 7, 11? Huh? Okay, its product itself is LCM of that. Because if given numbers are prime numbers, then its product, their product itself. Say 2 3 is 6 5 is 30. Huh? 7 11 is 77. 3 7 is 21. 21 plus 2, 23. And 1 0. 2 3 1 0 is LCM of this. Simply multiply. Simply multiply this. Okay. The things should be clarified now. Which are those clarification? See. LCM of prime numbers is their product. Among given numbers, this is one rule. Then this is among given numbers bigger number, if the biggest number, largest number is multiple of remaining numbers, then that is that biggest, largest number itself is LCM. Okay? Among given numbers, if the largest number is multiple of remaining numbers, then that largest number itself is LCM. LCM of prime numbers is their product. Two things should be understood. And for other numbers, what you have to do? You have to use prime factorization method and usual division method, isn't it? Okay. Thank you all.